Financial Shield Review 2025 Legit Identity Protection or Overhyped Service. Honest breakdown. Most people get this wrong by assuming all identity protection services are equally effective. The surprising truth is that Financial Shield is a legitimate service offering monitoring alerts and recovery assistance, but its coverage has limits. The platform tracks credit reports, dark web exposure, and suspicious activity. You won't believe how detailed the alert system is, notifying users of potential threats quickly. Subscribers report peace of mind and timely support when issues arise. However, some users note that it doesn't prevent all fraud, and fees are moderate. The surprising truth is that identity protection works best when combined with personal vigilance and secure password management. In conclusion, Financial Shield is a legitimate identity protection service, but it shouldn't be relied on as a sole safeguard. Most people get this wrong by expecting complete immunity, but used correctly, it enhances security and awareness.